Hello guys, it's Miss Marta again. What a long time! I'm here today to take you on a new math adventure, the greatest common divisor. Come on, everybody knows what means greatest, what means common, but what means the word divisor? I'm going to explain you. A divisor. A number is a divisor of another number when, if you do the division, the remainder is 0. But an important thing to know is that all numbers have a divisor of 1. So, the number 1 is the divisor of all numbers. But for a better understanding, I'm going to show you an example. Here we have an example. The divisors of 6 are number 1, 2, 3, and 6. Why? Because here, in the first division, if we divide 6 by 1, the remainder is 0. And we already know that the number 1 is the divisor of all numbers. In the second division, number 6 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. 6 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. And 6 divided by 6, the remainder is 0. Here, an important thing. All numbers are divisor of themselves. Okay? Excellent, guys. We know what is a divisor. So, the second thing we're going to learn today is how to find the greatest common divisor of 2 or more numbers. Here is the explanation. We're going to find the greatest common divisor of 12 and 8. Are you ready? The first step is to list all the divisor of each number, in this case, all the divisors of number 12 and all the divisors of number 8. But wait, I have a trick. As we said before, all numbers are divisor of 1 and all numbers are divisor of themselves. So, when listing the divisor of the number, a trick is to put number 1 and the number itself, like this. Wow! That's an excellent trick. So, once we have put number 1 and number itself, now we have to list all the divisors. In this case, the divisor of number 12 are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 6. Okay, and in number 8, we have number 1, number 2, number 4, and number 8. The second step is to look what are the common divisors that have both numbers. So, of course, number 1 in both numbers, number 2, and number 4. The third step is to find the greatest common divisor. So, in the common divisors, where is the greatest number? Of course, number 4. The last step is to know how to represent the result. So, here we have the final result. The greatest common divisor of 12 and 8 is 4. It was really easy, guys. But now I have a new challenge for you. Can you find the greatest common divisor of the number 5 and the number 12? Let's do this example with me. Here we have the pieces of paper to do this example. The first step, do you remember what was the first step? Excellent. To list all the divisors. So, come on. Okay, here we have the divisor of number 5, number 1, and number itself. And number 12, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, what is the greatest common divisor? Let's go to the second step to find the number 5. Only have two divisors. As you can see, the number 1 and the number itself, the number 5. This is because the number 5 is a prime number. Only can be divided by number 1 and the number itself. Sorry, I forget to tell you more prime numbers. Prime numbers are number 2, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 11, number 13. So we can say that the greatest common divisor of 5 and 12 is 1. And now, the last thing we're going to learn today, the prime factorization. This is a wonderful technique to find the greatest common divisor. So, come on! Present information to have in mind to understand the prime factorization. The first thing, all numbers are built by prime numbers, and a factor is a number you multiply to get another number. For example, 2 times 3 is 6. So we see, but the number 2 is a factor and the number 3 is a factor. Prime factorization is finding what prime number multiply together to get the original number. We do the prime factorization by making a tree, but not this kind of tree. Let's see an example. Okay, in this example, what numbers, prime numbers, multiply together to get 24? 4 times 6, but 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. So let's follow with this tree. Number 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 4. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, of course. So the final result of this example is that the prime factorization of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Excellent! But that's so easy and you're so clever. So let's see the last example. We have here the number 80. Okay, what prime number multiply together to get 80? 40 times 2. Okay, look, number 2 is a prime number, so here we stop, but we follow with number 40, and we have 4 times 10. Both numbers are prime numbers? No, so we follow with this amazing tree, and here we have 2 times 2, which is 4, 2 times 5, which is 10. So the result is 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 5. So the prime factorization of 80 is this result. Guys, it's enough for today. Today we have learned a lot together. I love being with you and being your teacher. So please, if you have any doubt, ask me. I will love to explain you. And see you in the next video. Bye!